So, it's a dream for every YouTuber to do a video or to showcase their workplace or their. So, it's a dream for every YouTuber to do a video or to showcase their workplace or their room or their structure where they basically stay, where they basically work, and how they do the work. And it's just a room tour and basically an information. So that's how the starting begins, and that's how we begin to give you a tour. And today I decided the same thing of doing. Why not I give you a quick tour of the small place that I live in, and tell you about something about that place, and if anybody is looking how easier it is to come and stay and take a room and rent and all that. So stay tuned and watch it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and you're watching Sidharth World, and I hope you are doing absolutely fine and good and you're staying safe in the coronavirus timing. Today I am going to give you a quick tour of the place where I stay, where I work, and how I manage my days. But that is a different thing. Today it is just a small quick room tour about how I am doing and where I am staying and what I am doing and all that. So I'm Siddharth. I stay in a PG in Bangalore in Yalanka New Town location, and which is a very good PG, and it's a very small and compact room, and a lot of people are there, and it is supposed to be one of my faculty who is a partner in the PG, and I stay here for about a month. It's already been about a month's time I'm staying here, and I have made it. So I have been given one single place in the floor, so I can just give you a quickly tour. So that's the so let me give you a quick tour of the whole place and then come back to you. Okay, so that's basically the place where you can see, that's the office room. Basically this is the office room, and this is where the whole lot of things happens. We talk, we work, and we sit for our evening tea or anything, anybody comes and all. So that's it. So you have one room here, which is my room, which I'm going to give you a quick tour very soon. That's the washroom. That's another room, and that's another room. So far what we are going to focus on this video is basically on the office room, about my setup, and about my room, and how convenient this place is and all. So to start off with, let me give you a quick tour. Now this is a complete big spacious room, which is like a office room and a hall kind of thing, and that's my table, and that's basically a table for office work and all other things. So you have got right now I think you can see two laptops there, two same ThinkPad laptops. But what is the two laptops, I'll tell you in a different way. That's my entire work setup. One of them is my laptop, one of them is a work laptop. That's a separate thing that I will give you. So that's my chair for timing, where I sit and I work, but that's a different thing. Now moving towards this is my small and compact room. I believe on, and I'm very much thankful to my faculty who has given me this one small room where I stay, where I eat, where I do all my work, and everything happens over here. And everything happens over here. So to start off with, you can see I have my bed, which is nice and clean. I have two bed, which is perfectly clean and nice and crisp. I have my shoe lying down below. Here is my shoe, and yeah, so the other side I cannot show you, it's all there. So yeah, that's my bag, which is like a stuff. And yeah, so I wanted to show you this portion. So you can see this is the whole rack. I think I am not able to capture completely. Yeah, okay. So this is the whole rack of four. So up the box is basically my work laptop's box that I received, and the top of that is like I ordered some tripod mount which is lying there. I have to just fix it up and I have to try. And that's some cleaning stuff for houseflies and mosquitoes. And that's my stuff, all that stuff. One, two, three. So basically the idea is very simple. Here it's like a hot water kettle bag. Here it got all my food items and every stuff, like daily essential milk powders and some biscuits and all. And here is my utensils, shoes, my chappals, and my extra water bottle which I carry because I don't prefer carrying a bottle, so plastic bottle. So I carry a small thermos, 200 ml thermos bottle wherever I go, so I can refill water and I can drink. Next rack is basically my food rack, where I have my basic essential stuff, like I take Milo, something like which is like evening time, and a bit of chocolate, hot chocolate. So sometimes in a late night when you feel like drinking some milk, you cannot drink that, so I prefer to keep a hot chocolate. So sometimes if you feel like you can drink, I can mix little bit and all. That's my plate where I eat food, and there are some spoons. That's a tissue box which I generally prefer to keep a tissue set to manage my stuff. Then there's a glass which is used for drinking water. There's a cup which is for drinking tea or coffee or whatever it is. That's noodles and some food stuff, some more food stuff, and then some important stuff there. So this jar is empty. I have to refill up with some stuff. And that's my copper water bottle. The very good thing about this bottle is this is about 1 liter copper bottle, and the idea is very simple. You drink copper water to make yourself more better, and copper has very good quality of storing the food items, and very good quality of making your body pure and other. So you can either pour hot water and you can keep it overnight and then drink the next day morning, or you can fill up any day, you can use that one. And then I have another thermos which is pretty much like when I make hot water, I fill it up, so I keep it for 2-3 days and then I drink. And here there are some sugar sachets and some coffee. This I have to finish it off. Then I have got one sweet pickle, one little savory pickle. I have got a box. It's got some dried namkeens and biscuits. I have got my tea bag. So yes, I wanted to show you. This is the same tea bag that you can drink. I mean, you can see it is strictly original tea. Let me keep it. Okay, you can see the Tetley original tea, experience the real taste. This is basically 25 tea bags. So I have the tea bags because I feel those are comfortable and easy to carry tea bags, and you can dip them in water, hot water, and put some sugar, and if you want to drink black tea you can drink, or pour with some milk, boiling water, and then diffuse it and pour some milk powder, and you have your perfect cup of tea. So yeah, I have got some stuff there, and pretty much that's the same. And there are some bags that will be going out, and I have to rearrange this whole rack in order to, but I think this is pretty much arranged. Down one is arranged. I have to arrange the upper rack something. So yeah, that's the whole thing. And then coming up to this rack. So okay, coming up with this rack has got the stuff which is very much essential. Like I have gel because sometimes when you eat a lot of oily and masala food or outside food, it is too much of problem for your dish. So in order to get out of acidity suddenly, I kept that. And there's some toothpaste and some cotton, and I use this candy powder for getting all kinds of dryness and all. That's my tablets, vitamin tablets that I take. That's an eye drop that I have got. And yeah, this is like origami wet wipes. These are like 25 wet wipes. It's of aloe vera. So aloe vera is basically one of the good thing for your skin to glow and all. So I have my comb, which I carry everywhere, and I often clean. And yes, often I have seen people doing this, but I recommend every 3 days once or every week once you clean your comb, that because that will protect your hair and it will not damage your scalp. I have a brush which is basically a brush for applying hair color, but this is not for applying hair color. This I have kept basically to clean my camera, my phone or my laptop's internal parts, because that's where I cannot reach. And this is a folding knife which is basically to carry anywhere. It's like for emergency. And there's a toothbrush which is for cleaning the one, and there's a small scissor which is used for just doing some daily cuts. I have got some creams, and I have got a Vicks. I have got some rubber bands because I need to tie the stuff. That's an Odomos cream because here there is a lot of mosquitoes. To avoid mosquitoes in the evening, I use Odomos. Yeah, but most of the time you say Odomos is not good for skin. It damages skin. It says safe on kids and babies. Okay, and it is like clinically tested non-sticky mosquito repellent cream, and it also gives you like safe for skin, and it say keeps you 8 hours mosquitoes away from you. And okay, sorry for that disturbance. I have my sanitizer, and then I have another bottle of lotion, aloe vera skincare cream. This is basically I use for doing face wash. You need something to finish up your skin. And I have my deo, I have my good night liquid, because that's where in night time I put. I have the cream, I have the shampoo, and I have a cup. Basically this is a new cup. I have just kept some spoon and my toothpaste and my this. And yeah, that's all for this. That's my protein shaker. That's basically to give the amount of milk that I drink. Basically it is about 1 spoon of hot chocolate powder, 1 spoon of Milo, and 1.5 spoon of milk powder, and about 200 to 250 ml of water. And then you just shake it up, and then you just hold it up like this and shake it up, and you drink it up. You don't need to drink this whole thing in a full one go. You can be like slowly you can drink water. That's basically utensils to do something. And that's my hot water kettle, where I put 1.5 liter of hot water and boil it up and do it. Yeah, you have got one more knife. This knife I bought it because this is like rough and tough knife. You can cut anything, and the handle is solid. So far it is good going. And yeah, on my bed there are some notebooks, some mount, and yeah, that's it for this. You have my good night, you have my some dresses, and yeah, it's a pretty small room. It's a pretty decent room. So it's a pretty small and decent room, and yeah, I just stay one member, so no objection, no work, nothing, no disturbances. And yeah, that's what pretty much I have. Small stuff. And my bed is very important. And yeah, one more thing that I did not tell you about my bed is basically Let me give you a perspective. Now, this is not some ordinary bed. This is basically the customized mattress. I just reworked on the mattress because it was lying here for 1 year plus, and I just did some work on the mattress, and yes, the mattress is perfectly fine now. I can sleep. I've got a very soft pillow because I generally cannot use hard pillows, so I use generally a soft pillow and managed to do my work. And I have my beds here, you can see. I have my bed there, so I can take these beds whenever I put. And yeah, regarding this which you were asking, basically why there are two laptops, Sidharth, and all. Basically, this is my work setup. This is my work setup. This is my workstation where I work. One is my individual laptop, one is my office laptop, which is like a work laptop. I'll tell you what I do in both the laptops, what I do in my work laptop, in my personal laptop, what stuff I do. I will also give you what softwares and applications are there. So that's all for today. I hope you like this short tour of my room tour and understand how it is. And yes, it's a PG which is there. The details and the address and the description is on, and the details are on the description. If anybody is looking out in Bangalore, especially in Alanka region, if you're coming and you are looking out for a PG to stay, I highly recommend you to come here, stay here. I will leave the details below. You can contact the person, you can inquire with them, and you can come and you can take a place. It's such a nice and lovely place, peaceful, calm, and everything perfect. So thank you very much for that's all for today, and I hope you will like it, you will watch it, and you will share it with others who believe on the same concepts. And all the very best for all the things. And before going, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Shukriya, salam, namaste, see you, take care, bye bye. Do whatever you do, my lovely friends. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you very much.